Find the slope of the line containing the following points. If the slope is undefined, state this. The points we're looking at are negative 3.1, 5.2, and negative 4.4, 5.2. The slope will be rise over run, or the difference in the y-coordinates, which is 5.2 minus 5.2, divided by the difference in the x-coordinates, which is negative 4.4 minus negative 3.1. In the numerator, we have 0, and in the denominator, negative 4.4 plus positive 3.1 would give us a negative 1.3. 0 divided by any number is 0, so we end up with a slope of 0. If it had been a 0 in the denominator, then it would have been undefined. So the slope of the line containing these points is 0.